Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We've been invited to Preston Ducati to see a Sema build reveal by Carl Fogarty, and it was built by the Dip Monkey Garage.
So while we were at the Gravity show last week, we got a personal invite from Ciro, who's the founder of Petrolheadonism, and he does all the events organisation for all the car shows. Well, most of the car shows, but he's revealing Dip Monkey Garage's new Sema build, which is a Classic Fiat500 powered by a Ducati Panigale engine. So it'd be sweet as a nut.
Yeah, it's going to sound naughty.
And that's why we're going up to Ducati to watch the reveal. Should be a lot of fun.
We don't actually know what we're walking into here though, because we've been invited. We don't know if it's going to be 10 people or 1,000, you know what I mean? So we've been invited, we're going up there. But as usual, there's a spanner in the works as the M6 is shut. So country roads on it there. And the sat-nav says we're going to get there within 4 minutes to spare. So let's hope we make it. Right, so we're basically here now. It says we're 2 minutes away and we're only 36 minutes late. Jesus Christ. There's a trailer, so it's giving us a...
Oh mate, there's Rolls Royces and everything here. Feel so out of place with my dirty Range Rover.
Oh. I think you're fucking doofer. Ah, my mic wasn't even on there.
Right guys, so we're here, we're just outside Amari and Ducati. Some absolute monsters in there.
Yeah, on there.
But we literally made it with, what time are we on now?
Minutes to spare.
Minutes to spare. Ciro got back to us, said it'd be 7:30 by the time they get here to reveal the car. But there's some bloody beauties. The Brabus G63 over there. Monster.
In that garage, it's a bit.
Lambos galore in there. Ferraris, the bloody lot. One day.
Yeah, that's it.
So now we just need to wait for the car to get here with Dip Monkey, and we'll let you know when they get here.
One day.
Oh yeah. Sell the houses and buy one each.
Yeah, super courses, lad.
Right, see you, Carl, at last.
Hey
Mate, you alright?
You doing, mate? You alright?
Nice to meet you. So here he is, the big fella. Ciro's here with the car and Dip Monkey. Just have to wank fire in a minute and they'll get it off the trailer.
Hello everybody, I'm on crutches because I'm an idiot. Don't do football tricks, no more balls for me. We made it. We made it. We didn't drive him here. He's here. He's 95% complete, but there is 2 days of work to do. Ladies and gents, please make your way outside. 3,
2, 1.
every hour on the hour at Sema in Central Hall, we're going to piss them all off.
Independent rear suspension.
Sorry, man. Sick mode.
Yep.
The pressure has been insane.
Aren't they literal?
Everybody, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Bruno!
So before we carry on with today's video, I want to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, which is Vehicle Score. Vehicle Score is an online car checker that helps you out. So if you don't want to be buying a categorised car, stolen car, or one that's even on finance, don't just buy it, Vehicle Score it.
So today we're going to show you how Vehicle Score works on using a previous build we did, which was Dan's mum's Jaguar E-Pace.
And if you want to save yourself 20%, don't forget to use code TVR20 at checkout or click the link in the description below.
Now with this E-Pace that we're going to check out now, we bought it as a Cat S, but we have done a check on another site and it's coming back as uncategorised. Now we're going to see if vehicle score can tell us the truth. So we're going to put the reg in, which is Mike Juliet 68 Uniform Lima Whiskey, and hit enter. So here it's given us a number of 860 out of a possible 999, which is saying it's amazing. It's 6 years old, it's done 52,000 miles with an average yearly mileage of 8,600, and the MOT comments are good. So as we scroll down, we can see this is the important information that you really need when you're buying a car. This will tell you if it's ever been imported, if it's a salvage car, if it's on finance, if it's ever stolen. So all you got to do is click buy it now, not forgetting to use the promo code TVR20. Now it's generated the report, we can check all the important information out. And here it's clearly saying it's been an insurance category write-off. So if we scroll further down, we can actually look at that later on. It's had 3 previous owners, which isn't bad. But most importantly, there's no outstanding finance and it's never been stolen. We can scroll down a bit further and here's the information on the insurance category. So we can clearly see it comes back as a Cat S like we thought it was. So vehicle score has actually picked it up that it is a categorised car. As we did a check on another online car checker and that was coming back that it was uncategorised. So as we scroll down, there's more information on the score breakdown, but you'll have to check that one out for yourselves. So there we are, there's our report on the Jaguar E-Pace. Now it actually says it's a Cat S, so at least we know. So again, I want to say a massive thank you to Vehicle Score for sponsoring today's video. And don't forget to use code TVR20 for 20% off or click the link in the description below.
So this is what we call Project Bruno, okay? He's a 1965 Fiat 500 and when he first come to us he was, let us say slightly slightly restored, no, not really, bogged out completely, falling apart. And the plan was, obviously the vision was to get a bike engine in the back of it. That's our lot on the bike. Yeah, so basically the vision was to get that Ducati bike, that Italian heart in that Italian car. But the thing is with him, with Project Bruno, he's so small and everything we're putting in him is so big, it has a massive knock-on effect. So obviously this now, we've got 2 days left and then he's on the road to Sema. Sema 2024. He'll get unveiled there officially in America for the American audience. And we hope he goes down well and I don't know.
It's a massive achievement.
At least win some sleep anyway.
Yeah,
do you know what, honestly, it is like, we are such a small business and me and Dan started with, there's actually a short documentary on how we started on YouTube on our channel and we started with nothing and we still haven't got anything, but
I remember you said you had about a fiver or something.
40 quid.
40 quid,
I
yes.
had 40 quid in my arse pocket. Okay, so we'll start with obviously the most visual, which is the colour, the paint. Yeah. So this is from a company called Custom Paints that we've worked with for years now and we were so blessed that they have sponsored us on this build. So thank you very much to Custom Paints. This is a candy teal over a shimmer base, over a silver shimmer base that we've built up layer after layer after layer to give you this depth and this obviously shine.
When I watched it, it was like white, primer, black.
We thought it was going in primer and then it went like
do you know what, honestly, the amount of people have said to us, you've painted it black for Sema, and we're like, we're custom painters, behave. But you know, that's the trickness of it. It's so beautiful. Awesome. And then obviously you come down to that shimmer where the hexagons are, and it just moves. It just.
So is that the backing? Is that the backing glitter, like?
Yeah. So that's like the base. So obviously you do the black base. Then you do your shimmer layers, obviously, and then you've got all that curing time in between as well. So obviously that is the most predominant one. You know, we've got the custom made, bespoke, one-off 6AD forge wheels there that were designed for us with Ciro's vision in mind. You know, we've got the EBC brakes behind, you can't quite see it there, but obviously at the front here you've got the EBC brakes, who are fabulous and are hosting us in Vegas. EBC brakes,
amazing,
what a wonderful group of people, absolutely fabulous. You know, you've got the carbon fibre as well, it's done by a company called Carbon Elite, and it's just, the list is never ending. Obviously, the proof is in the pudding with this build. I think he's 95% there. He's so near, and we are going to get him finished, and we'll be really, really proud of him. But you can watch all of this on our YouTube channels, Facebook, Instagram, the whole lot. Check out Dip Monkey Garage, and obviously check out Petrolheadonism as well.
Amazing, thanks for watching the video here on Transformation. This is our 1965 Fiat 500. It used to be a classic, it's now a Ducati Evoluzione. Ducati engine was the centerpiece in the rear, but every single corner of #Project Bruno has undergone major transformation. It starts with the brakes because it's on the EBC stand at Sema, that's Las Vegas, from the 3rd of November. It starts with the brakes, then come the wheels, and I had a 2-spoke wheel to really show off the calipers, and it will be set so you can really see the calipers and discs. But from that, it's all about making something different that wows the American market, and the thing that Americans love the most is the engine swap. So we did originally think Hayabusa, then we went with a full Italian heart. The sound of that Ducati dry clutch L-twin is just sensational, but with the twin terminiones hanging out the back like a Lamborghini, it's literally built for me. From the air intakes on the roof, from McLaren styling, which is hypercar levels of carbon fibre, translating through to the bonnet, which is giving us that bulge so we could have the petrol tank from the Ducati in the front there, now signed by Carl Fogarty, as well as the air intakes on the rear. Like, it's kind of Singer-esque, but this car is just absolutely wild, and finished off with a lowrider paint. And on the Saturday before SEMA, we'll be riding down the strip, flanked by the Las Vegas lowrider community with our Project Bruno, who by that point will have 5 neon light kits in every orifice. So thanks for watching. Keep following Bruno's journey to SEMA, and it's on the Petrolheadonism channel. Thanks to guys at Transformation for showing us off and being part of it. Thank you.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Don't put that on YouTube, hold the door shut for tape.
Nice.
Yes. He knows the score.
So that was the Bruno reveal at Ducati in Preston. Great night out, got to speak to loads of people. Listen to that. Good lad. Anyway, yeah, so we got to speak to loads of people, had some good chats with Ciro, Dan and Claire from Dip Monkey Garage, and just the amount of people that were there that actually know what they're talking about with what's going on with the car as well was immense. So it was a good night to be honest, and we really enjoyed it.
So we also got to meet world Superbike legend Carl Fogarty, which was brilliant actually, and all round good day out. We've also been invited to Nebworth by Ciro, so that's another good car show we can go to, and we'll be there in about, what, 2 weeks, is it?
Yeah.
For a weekend, so I'm sure you'll see a video.
So if you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and follow everyone else's channel as well.